All right. This is the Super Affiliate Academy review or tour. I guess I'm kind of doing a little tour of this uh, community, which is on the school.com platform. It's one of the top affiliate marketing communities, and there's over 9,000 people. I joined in October, November, and they started this probably July 1st, 2024. And right now it's June 2025, and so it'll be a year old in a few weeks. And so this is a community that was created by James and Max. They are the creators of this community, and I have actually bought a lot of courses from James, and that's one of the reasons I was on his email list, and he promoted this group, and it's a free group, so I decided to join. And so the question I hear all the time is, how do I start making money with with affiliate marketing? Um, and I get that because I asked that same question with a lot of programs, and the question is, like, do I need a big following? Do I need a fancy website? Is this something that I really can do, or is it just hype? And here's the truth: yes, you can make real money with affiliate marketing, but you need to stop guessing and start following a system that actually works, like this one. And it starts with picking the right kind of offers, ones that people are already looking for, then learning how to get those offers in front of people in a way that feels helpful and not pushy. And most important, you've got to build a little trust, just enough for someone to say, "Okay, I'll try it." And in this community, with the courses, this community right here, as you can see, there's a lot of people here that are engaging and sharing tips and showing giving encouragement. Uh, James and Max, they are here every morning creating these videos and just kind of right here. Yeah, so every day they basically are kind of our cheerleaders, and they've actually made it. So what they're teaching is what they have been doing for 30 years. Collectively, they learned so much about how to build their online business, and they've made millions. So now they are trying to teach us the same strategies and give us golden nuggets on how to kind of build our affiliate marketing business. Um, so here's the classrooms. All you have to do is go in here, and this is all free. Just got to join. Click the link below and just join up. And there is no risk to you. It's and this is also an opportunity to also become an affiliate of this program, and you can start going through the courses and taking action. The most important is to go through the course, and because a lot of people will join and not do anything, and if that happens, you're not going to get results. So what you got to do is start right here at the top. Just go through all these courses, take action, and you will start seeing results. You'll start building you'll start building with people that want to actually change their life and to start generating income. And I am a freelancer. I do video production, but a lot of times, especially now, it's very hard for me to actually get any work because things have slowed down. But I'm also a caregiver for my dad, and it's hard for me to take work that, because sometimes I do travel to other parts of the country, and that's not possible anymore. So I had to find something to start creating income, and this is one of the ways that you can do it. Yeah, I could go and get another job, and but the problem is, uh, the problem is I have to be at home. So this is one of the things that I ended up doing. Uh, was getting into affiliate marketing, and essentially it's a side hustle. But I'm hoping to make this a full time gig for me because probably not gonna. I'm not gonna do as much filming anymore. So this is one of my uh, this is one of my goals to build an online business. And with the help of the Super Affiliates Academy, I'm in the free community, but I'm also in the elite Super Affiliate Academy Elite, which does cost money, but it's well worth it because the training's on a different level, and I have access to James and Max if I have questions, so they can guide me. Um, so the whole thing is, this is a great community to actually, where you don't have to be perfect, you don't have to be an expert. You just need to start with the right guidance and be consistent, and that's what they preach here. That's why I joined this group. It's like getting a real education in internet marketing. I feel like it's almost like uh, a master's or PhD in internet marketing. I've taken uh, uh, courses in marketing in college, but you're not going to get this information because they kind of teach uh, a lot of marketing and branding on the corporate level. These are skills, internet marketing skills that you can apply to local business, or even marketing yourself or marketing certain events. You can take all of these strategies and apply it to real world businesses or real world, um, uh, just you basically can use these skills, and people will pay you for that. And the great thing is, uh, a lot of people won't have access to this information. So if you're interested in joining the Super Affiliate Academy, I have two links. I'll have a link for the free group and a link to the Super Affiliate Academy Elite. Just go ahead and join through my link. And once you get in, this is me, Johnny Tidwell. Just connect with me on the other end, and let's see if we can build this together. And I'll show you their video right here, and they'll talk a little bit about the Super Affiliate Academy.
Hi, I'm James Reneuf. And Max, and welcome to Super Affiliate Academy. You're going to absolutely love this. This is the #1 affiliate marketing community in the world where you can get paid 24/7 and not have to make your own products. Check it out. So what do you get when you go on the inside? First of all, why learn from us? We're 2 Comma Club award winners, so we have verified proof that we've brought in multiple 7 figures. We have hundreds of thousands of products sold, millions earned as affiliates by ourselves 30 plus years of affiliate marketing experience, and now we're getting others to have success. So, who is Super Affiliate Academy? The free version for is for anyone serious about making money online. You can be an absolute complete beginner with no following, all the way up to and including advanced seven figure marketers. Perfect for those ready to follow a proven results driven system. We have everybody in our community, and this is the number one community for everyone to be in. The offer, you get an all in one platform to become a super affiliate. We have the winning up to date strategies to drive traffic and generate sales, proven strategies, and expert support to help you win. So, what's inside? Max, let's show them and let's have them take a look. So guys, this is the inside of our Super Affiliate Academy. So make sure to join it. It's amazing. Like this is just our community page. And as you can see, like there is a lot of stuff going on. People are showing up, posting, engaging every day. As James already said, we have like beginners, but also seven-figure marketers who have been doing this full time for a long time. We show up every single day, like with update videos. We're super active here. This is our wall of fame. So just look at this. Like we have so many people, like member after member, making sales. And I'm not talking about just low ticket commissions, but also recurring commissions, high ticket sales. So this is crazy. Most of these people here have never made a single cent online before, and now they're making money. And this is a free community, so this is should be a no-brainer. You should definitely check this out. We have a leaderboard here. This is like a super engaged community now. At the moment, 7,000, almost 7,100 members. Then we've got this classroom here with like a lot of training. Start here section, our SAA strategies, like all of these courses. If you click on the join button right now, you join the community, you'll get access to all of this. And again, this is free. It's insane. Then we have a calendar where we actually go live and you can join us on like live calls, which is insane. And then here is our welcome video. And if you look at this here, we've both won a 2 Comma Club award for bringing in over seven figures with just one product. So that that we're actually legit and we know what we're talking about. We've been doing this for 30 plus years combined. This is my 2 Comma Club award, and here's James 2 Comma Club award. So definitely join our Super Affiliate Academy if you're serious about changing your life, starting to make money online. And yeah, you just want to be part of a super engaged community and you want to become one of these people here are making low ticket, recurring, and high ticket commissions. So just, click the button down below and join us right now.
So there you go. That is the presentation video on this page.
Hi.
Like I said, I'll have the links below, but just to give you a clue, this video that you're watching, this is one of the strategies that they said to do. I didn't do it, and so now I'm doing it and posting this on YouTube or wherever you have like Vimeo, or you could do it on Facebook. But this is one of the strategies. If you have a screen share, screencast, a way to record videos from your computer screen, I use Filmora. I think there's a couple of other. You could probably use QuickTime. There's some other softwares. Loom. Loom is free. Just record a little bit, do a tour like this, and create these videos and post them on YouTube, and you'll get the link, your affiliate link from the Super Affiliate Academy, and do the same thing I'm doing right here. That's how you start driving traffic. There's multiple ways of doing that, and you're going to learn that inside the classroom and different strategies. But this is very easy. I didn't, sorry, I didn't do anything with this other than learn and just consume the content. And I'm guilty of not taking action. But once you start taking action, you start getting clicks, and then people start joining you. Uh, so that's the thing that's working for me, It's very simple. Just don't make it difficult. Just share your link. Just share it with people that you can share it with, friends or family that are looking for something to do to earn money. And the great thing, it's free. A lot of times, people, like, if it costs money, a lot of times it's very hard for people to take action on that. But this is free. Make sure you connect with me. That's me, Johnny Tidwell. Once you join, and let's connect and build this together. And thank you for watching the video.